Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Merlin's Kitchen, and today I'll be showing you how I make my pineapple juice. Let's get started. First, I'll be washing my pineapple because we'll use everything. Then we'll peel the pineapple. I'll cut into small pieces for it to be easy for blending. I'll put in my blender. Some little water. Meanwhile, let us chop our peels into small pieces because you're going to boil them first. You're not throwing anything. You want to get all vitamins from these peels. After cutting our peels into small pieces, I will boil them for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let me blend my pineapple as our peels are boiling. I'll serve. Our pineapple peels are ready, so I'll put aside for it to cool. I'll sieve again. At this stage, you can add in pineapple flavor or flavor of your choice. Hata iliki unaweza weka ndani. But for me, I'll put in some sugar for it to be more sweet. You can sieve for the second time for it to be fine. Finally, this is our pineapple juice. It's so sweet, and don't forget to try the procedure. You will love it. Meanwhile, subscribe for more recipes. Bye bye.